I want to show you around the Easy Spaces reference application. So I'm here in the app launcher and I want to take you into the space management app in particular. This Lightning application helps Easy Spaces manage reservations and make sure that customers are matched to the perfect space for their needs. I have a few different options here in my console app. I have different objects I can drill into and see different list views. I can also get right to work going into custom application pages like the Reservation Manager. So we can see here on the Reservation Manager, I have a list of leads and contacts that need some help getting started with reservations. If I drill into a particular record, I have a dynamic lightning flow on the right-hand side of my workspace that helps me quickly ramp up and create this reservation for this contact. I can choose the right values, and after I've done some basic configuration and I choose to draft my reservation, thanks to the power of the new Workspace API, this reservation opens in a new tab and I can confirm the details and that everything looks good. And when I return to a Reservation Manager application page, my view has been refreshed. That contact is no longer in the list that needs my attention, and I can keep working in a clean workspace, all very quickly and easily thanks to the power of Console Nav. I can also choose to design spaces in a similar custom application page workspace. I can choose a reservation, and I see on the right-hand side another dynamic lightning flow, and this one I actually want a little bit more room to work. And based on what TAM has told me they want for their reservation, I know that they need something energizing and outdoor that's good for large groups. And based on all those things, we can see that there's really one match in this market that looks best. I can double check the request that TAM had. This looks well within capacity. I can choose to add this to the reservation and keep working right here, or as we just saw, I can add and exit, and the Workspace API will open this reservation in a new tab where I can continue to work with TAM on what they need. And when I go back to the Spaces Designer, similarly, my workspace has been cleaned up and refreshed, so I'm always dealing with accurate views and I know exactly what I need to get done without a lot of clicks and a lot of movement. The Easy Spaces UI wraps around me, the user, thanks to the power of dynamic lightning flows, the Lightning Component Framework, and console navigation.